Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you are doing well. I hope you are really taking care of yourself. So if this is your first time here, welcome, and I hope by the end of this video you will actually subscribe to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'll be showing you my go-to makeup look. If you don't know what that is, it's basically the makeup look I reach out for most of the time. I wouldn't call it an everyday look, just the makeup look that I tend to do when I'm going out. So if you want to see this makeup look, please keep watching, and yeah, let's get right into it. I'll be using my Illamasqua primer, my Beyond Veil primer, to prime my face. I always use this. It has a bit of shimmer in it. I've already moisturized my face. You need to moisturize your face whenever you want to wear makeup. I feel like there are some people that they don't moisturize their face and then they just go on with the primer. Girl, you need to moisturize your face, like give it the moisture that it needs, and yeah, keep everything balanced basically. For foundation, I'll be using my MAC Studio Fix foundation. I'll be using the NC44.5 and NC47. I mix the both together. I really don't have to, but yeah, like I could get away with the NC44.5, but like if I don't use this, I don't know when I will. When I was trying my shade, I made a mistake and got the NC47, so you know, and the NC44.5 is a bit light, so if I was to work with it only, I could get away with it, to be honest. But I want to use both of them, you know. I didn't just waste my money for nothing. I'm not going to chop it in a bin, am I? I'm going to use it until the last drop. I'll use my Urban Decay all-nighter setting spray. In my videos I've been saying Urban Decay. I've been pronouncing it wrongly. Don't blame me though, because English is not my first, it's not my first language, so I'm going to blend it in. Forgetting something. I need to put some setting powder on my T-zone. I always forget this. Why? Most of the time I just want to get into, you know, just doing the makeup, that I forget to do this. No, this is not the right stuff to use. So I'm using my Mercier setting powder. I do this because I tend to get oily in my T-zone, so this is what I do to just, you know, prevent the oil from showing for some time. This makeup I'm doing, it shouldn't be hard. I'm going to use more foundation. I use my brush to blend my foundation because it's quicker and it does go through it like faster, more than I would if I was to use my beauty blender. Don't forget this area and this area close to your neck. This is mostly my bad side of the face where I have some blemishes, so I tend to go over it more carefully. I'm going to highlight using my Pro Concealer in Cool Tan. My highlighting mainly focuses on my under eye. I don't really do too much in other areas. I feel like it's just, it doesn't look right on me. I'm not that adventurous yet. So yeah, I'm just going to blend this out and bring it closer to my nose. I will be using my Revolution concealer in 10.5. This is a lighter shade than the Cool Tan of the LA Girl that I just used. This is just to highlight more, you know, just bring out my features. It's not really necessary, but I just do it because I want to just be extra. Then I'll take it up here this way, this direction. I'll be using my Mercier setting powder in translucent to then set my concealer. I actually got this in like it's a new one, you know. A girl spent some money on makeup. I used to use the Sacha Buttercup, but I finished it and I wanted to try something new, something different. So I spent some coin and I'm not regretting it. I just wanted something different and I feel like it's really worth the money. I most times use it all over my face, so I feel like it's worth it. So I'm going to use it to set my face. I'm going to contour using my LA Girl concealer in Beauty Bronze. Started using this lately. If you watch my previous video, you will see that I used this and I quite liked it because it's not too dark. I'm using my foundation brush. I would advise you to contour before you apply your setting powder. I kind of skipped it. Makeup gets me too excited that most times I just forget, you know, the whole process that, you know, I'm meant to follow. Not that bad. Just make sure you're taking it up. I'm going to define my cheekbone. I'll use a bit of the setting powder. Some powder on my forehead. I will powder contour using my NYX contour palette. I'll be using this shade right here. Just going over where I put the lid contouring. Just slightly, I don't want to overdo it. I'm going to be doing my eyebrows. I'll be using my Benefit eyebrow setter. It's a clear gel, so I'll be using that. I will use my Rimmel professional eyebrow pencil in dark brown. Then I'm going to brush it out using the clear gel again. Going to clean everything up using my Cool Tan concealer. I'm going to use this brush to blend it. I'm just patting it in. I will go over my eyelid with my concealer, my Cool Tan, because it's the shade closer to me. And also what I've been doing lately is that after shaping my eyebrows with the concealer, I don't put any powder on it. I just leave it creamy. I did last time mistakenly and it was really good. I liked it. You just have to make sure that you put enough concealer. When you're using your concealer, make sure the concealer is closer to your shade, not anything too light, just maybe one shade lighter than your skin tone. And yeah, I think it just does the job. It just leaves there like creamy and natural, and when the light hits you when you take pictures, it's just perfect. So I'm just going to blend in the concealer. Then I will use a little bit of the Mercier Translucent powder on it just to set this area. Today I'll be using my Morphe palette in 25B. I'll be using this color right here, this one. And then I'll use this flush free brush and go ahead and take this brown shade right here. Using the smaller brush, I'm going to blend it out just using a clean brush. I think I need to pat in the first color a little bit. For this kind of look, I go with my eyeliner because it just gives it, you know, a little bit more drama. So I'm going to do my eyeliner. I tend to do a tiny line. I don't do line. If not, it will close my eyes because I have small eyes. Yeah, so that's a trick. I've put on my lashes now. I'll be taking this color. I'll use it here just to make a line. And then I'll use my Kajal eye pencil by Essence. Smudge it a bit. I will go over my lower lashes with my mascara. I'm going to dust off the setting powder. I let my face bake too much today. On a normal day, I wouldn't. Don't bake too long like this. No, it's great. Then I use the same powder to just go all over my face. I'm going to contour my nose. I will use my MAC Studio Fix in NC45. I'm going to put a bit of blush. The tip of my nose. I'm going to dust off this powder here. For my highlighter, I'll be using my Maybelline monochrome. Then my nose. For my lips, I'll be using the Rimmel long lasting lip liner in Cappuccino. For my go-to look, I just don't do too much on my lips. I'm going to use my Kiko Instant color in 08. It's the matte lipstick. So I'm just going to use this here. And then I will go with my NYX Butter Gloss in Madeleine. I'm going to use this color from the Morphe palette, this shimmer right here, for my tear dot. I'm going to set my face using my Urban Decay all-nighter setting spray, just to set everything in. I'm going to do my hair offline and I'll be back. If you have watched up to this point, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy the process. One thing I would say is don't bake too much. I got a bit carried away, you know, because I guess I used a new setting powder, and I would say like the powder is actually good. It's really a good powder. Most of the time when I do bake so long, I notice that my face looks dry, so I tend not to bake too long. But today I did bake too long and it still came out. So yeah, I'm happy, but don't do that. Please leave a comment down below. My last video, I really got so many comments. Thank you guys, that meant so much to me. If you don't follow me on Instagram yet, follow me at Ihechi_U. I'll leave a link. I will see you in the next one.